Sacred Heart High School, Nalasopara West. Subject English, Standard 3rd, Unit 1, Chapter 8, A Honeybee Speaks. Hello students, today we are going to study about honeybee, a monologue. Now monologue means a long speech by one person. So in this lesson, honeybee is talking with y'all. Let's begin. What me a lazy bee you think? I simply have fun all day among the flowers? Oh no! When I'm flitting from flowers to flower, I'm actually very hard at work. Now flitting means flying quickly and lightly. And that's why I am called not a lazy bee but a busy bee. Yes, student, what bee is telling you all? That he is very hard at work collecting nectar from flowers. So he loves calling himself busy bee but not a lazy bee. Come, I'll show you my house and tell you what a lot of work we bees do all our life. Yeah, students, bee is taking y'all to show his house. Do you know? Always male bee goes out and collect nectar. Male bee is also called as a drone bee. And female bee, that is queen bee, stay inside the comb. My house is called a honeycomb, that is beehive. It's a big house with thousands of rooms or cells. Each room has 6 equal cells. It is called honeycomb. Now student, you can see the line. Those lines are showing 6 equal sides. That is the cell. They take a lot of care to build it. Even they produce the material for comb that is called a bee wax. Now you can see the blue arrow showing bee wax. The material which bee uses to make comb is called a bee wax. So with the help of bee wax, they make a beautiful comb. Do you know, when I was very young, I used to stay at home. But even then, I had to do a lot of work. I had to look after larvae. Now students, small eggs of bees are known as larvae. Plural of larva is larvae. The babies that would grow into bees, I had to feed them and protect them. If anyone come near comb to disturb it, I was ready with my weapon, that is sting. Now sting, a sharp pointed part of an insect that can go into the skin and make a wound. Be away, don't trouble honey bee. You can see the arrow, students. They are showing the sting. It is very dangerous. Now what bee is telling? I'm not only a worker, I'm also a soldier. Well, to go back to the comb, I had to keep the comb cool by fanning it with my wings. Here students, even the bees feel hot. So to keep comb cool, they use their wings. That means they keep flapping their wings. Then I had to keep the house in order. Yes, student, even you put your house in order, you keep your house neat and clean. Same way honeybees also keep their house neat and clean. They put away all honey and food that other bees brought from the flowers. But luckily, hundreds of other bees working with them, they work all together without ever fighting. That's one reason why they can build such a perfect and beautiful houses. Here, students, they teach us that how united they are. They never fight among themselves. That's why they build a beautiful and perfect house. They keep making house bigger and bigger to make room for babies and for the foods and honey they gather. When they become older, means when they grew up, they begin to fly out of the comb to gather nectar. They collect nectar and pollen from the flowers and carry them back to the comb. Nectar is the sweet juice in flowers, and pollen is the yellow, powdery stuff you see on flowers. They visit hundreds of flowers and make several trips every day without wasting even a single moment. Now, bees never sit quiet, children. They are very hardworking. They visit hundreds of flowers and suck nectar to prepare sweet honey. The nectar from the flower is too thin. We bees turn it into the sweet thick honey that you love it. Here you can see the honey. Student, do you like honey? Yes, even I like honey. It's only because you call me a lazy bee that I stop and explain it to all you. That I'm not a lazy bee, student. I'm very hard at my work. Otherwise, I have not a moment to lose. I have to do lot of work. Bye. So student, hope you understood my lesson. Thank you.